Okay, heading up to the hive here in Morrison to see if there is any activity whatsoever, or if they met the same fate that our bees at the homestead did. So does not look too promising at the moment. See how it goes here. I'm gonna just go on the outside. Didn't have too much of hope on it, but yeah, it doesn't look like much. I wore my black shirt anyway, so let's get her open and see what's going on. Okay, see some nesting there. I gotta try and do an analysis, see what's going on. Some dead bees here, but yeah, no activity whatsoever. Okay, this is the bottom deep here. Got the nice smell of honey at least. You can see when I took the boxes off, they had some connecting comb through here. But yeah, definitely nothing in here. I didn't bring the tools and all today. We're coming up here for another purpose. This is just secondary. So there's one bee in there, go figure. I wonder where it came from, but it wouldn't be from this hive since everything else is dead. So yeah, should have brought a hive tool. But anyhow, I'll let that go. I'm going to keep it open. Maybe with any luck we'll get a swarm, so I'll keep the entrance reducer open there and just button the rest of it up. And who knows, otherwise we'll have to catch a swarm and put them in here for the year.
While Hal was busy with the bees, I decided to help Klaus take pictures for his photography project. I took pictures with my phone to show him exactly what it is that I saw as a photographer. I just thought you might enjoy them as much as I did. He got some pretty cool looking pictures. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the non-cooking channel of Call of the Wild. Okay, it's turning into a cooking channel. So this is what we're going to be playing with today. We're not going to be grilling anything, so I am going to get this cleaned out a little bit. But we have a rotisserie motor here, and that's what we're going to be playing with.
That's what I'm working at. Come on, girl, you like it. Come on. Are you filming this?
Yes.
Why?
Because I haven't done anything lately.
Why not?
Because all I do is clean.
Mm-hmm.
And they haven't seen you in a long time, so.
They don't want to either.
Oh, sure they do. They're tired of me.
No.
I just ramble.
Yeah, you do, but still. I'm just kind of loosening this up and seeing where I can put some of the flavoring. Just checking here how the store-bought thing did. Hi, everybody. Hi. And the drumsticks definitely not getting anything up in that way, so.
And you don't need too much on the back. There's not a lot of meat there.
Yeah.
That's pour.
That's fine.
There's sprinkle.
I know. I do a bunch on here, then I can.
And that's just a garlic and herb seasoning we got at the store.
Yeah, nothing major.
No. It's
I'll play with the rotisserie, make sure it's still working. Say open up. I'll pour some in the cavity, of course, too. So.
Thank you to Sister Clara, who.
Sister Clara makes her sound like a nun. She's definitely not that.
She provided the grill for today's video.
Ron and Clara, yes. Sister Clara. I'll have to tell her that sometime.
She'll watch this, don't worry.
Okay. And I'll throw some salt and pepper on the outside too. I'll grind up some Grind up. Yes, I will grind up some. Hope I said that right. My English grammar is still gooder than most. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, you're gonna like that, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah.
That's gonna taste really good.
Hope so.
Oh,
Like I said, I'll put some salt and pepper around the outside too.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't gonna hurt it at all.
Nope. A
So
little
just
easy on the salt
basically
because I
quick.
think there's salt in that.
Roasted garlic and herb. You can
Well,
check real
I
quick
put-
while I'm playing with her sexy legs.
Hey, you got the outside all icky.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna have to clean that. I should have just dumped a bunch in a bowl, and I didn't think of that till after I already got chicken goo around it.
Dried
so I'm
garlic,
like, I don't
salt,
care.
spices, red pepper, natural
Okay.
flavors. So there's
So
salt. in
we'll
it.
just ground some black pepper on then.
Yeah, well, you could do a little bit of salt.
Yeah. And then if you would, honey, get the pepper grinder, grind a bunch into like one of those little bowls for me to put in. I don't want to get the pepper grinder messy either. See how it does? Want me to soak it in Tabasco?
No.
I gotta find me a Louisiana woman. You know that? Jeez. You found yourself a Mississippi man. There's that song. Woo! Louisiana woman, Mississippi man. Okay, I think that's gonna work, eh? What do you think?
Looks good to me.
Alrighty. Yeah, waste not one. I'll throw some more pepper on. So I don't suppose you don't want the habanero mix on there either.
Did you get your mat down?
Just gonna have to get in clean sometimes. It's gonna affect this though. See, the burn will be right in there like that. It's not gonna be sitting right on those burners, that's for sure.
Yeah, as long as it's not.
We may need a
burners.
thinner pan.
Well, if we do, we do. I'll get him. I'll get one.
Yeah, I want a thinner one. Squish you up. How's this? I think it'll.
Hal is giving the bird the finger.
Just want to make sure this does not pop out of here when it goes.
Right.
Once it gets going, it should be okay.
Oh, I thought that was the wind. That's him rolling around in the wheelchair.
I think that's about as good as I'm going to get with it first to protect. We'll see if it falls onto the pan at least.
Yep.
Want it to find a way to flop out or something. Okay, you want me to get it started then?
Yes, please.
Crap.
Here, let me get. You want me to open that?
Oh, it's way higher than I expected.
Okay, well, it's a learning experience because we've never used this grill before.
Okay, I know how to use grills.
Yes, we've just never used this one before. Out here in the very, very hot
And
sun.
you're filming. Okay. Yeah, we're pretty good with there. So, come on. Come on, you jack.
Wrong critter.
I think we're still good right there. Yeah. Yeah, do that one again, you dumbass. See what happens.
We have rotation. Yay!
Not like I said, I want to leave the wings free out there rather than tucking them in.
That's fine.
So even though the, see that one won't be too bad, but this one's going to flip and touch that, but the foil should help.
Yeah.
Echo. That's kind of cool.
All right, we'll check on it in about 30 minutes, I guess.
That probably will be doing good there. It'll just take a little time to cook and we can have a nice low and slow.
Well, I'd raise it up at least to 300. I don't want to.
Why?
I don't want to eat late.
Oh, you're not going to eat late, you weenie. Those two are on high. I'll have to turn this middle one on then.
Well, leave it there then.
Or I can turn one of these on. There we go.
Whoosh. I heard that.
Put that on medium.
It's already got a little color to it.
Yeah.
Looking good. Ooh, that's a pretty birdie.
Flashing me.
I like that song.
Huh?
I like that bird song. At least seasoning it's easy.
Peppering. Okay. I'm not going to pepper anymore. That's set that puppy right there. Ha! I just wanted to do it that one time. Oh, hurry up.
Sorry, wasn't recording. That looks really good.
That part right in there. It's at 163. Okay, yep, we're good.
Yep, we're good. I'll go get something to put it on and we'll give it a good rest.
Hurry up.
I took a picture and didn't mean to.
What's wrong with that?
I wanted to do a video.
Okay, look at that. How's that look?
Looks okay.
A little marble in there.
Can tell by the taste.
Hmm?
Can tell by the taste.
Mm-hmm. Nice thick piece there. Guess I should have washed my hands this week.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, well, it's okay.
Especially after petting the live birds. Tastes good.
Mm-hmm. A little dry, but that's because I didn't inject anything.
I think it's good.